Valley Weather Center. This is your evening weather update.
Not too much rain across the area this afternoon, but we have had a few isolated thunderstorms over North Alabama, northeast Mississippi in association with this weakened stalled frontal boundary across the area, mainly near and south of the Tennessee River this afternoon. But area-wide isolated storm chances will be with us the next few days before we get a shot of slightly cooler and drier air to the area as we head in through our Friday and our Saturday, dropping on the 80s into the 70s this evening, and then the low to mid 60s overnight. We'll start our Wednesday hazy once again. You've probably noticed the haze out there the past couple days. That's from wildfire smoke in Canada that's moved southward with the upper level winds. It's in the upper level part of the atmosphere, and it's cast a haze across our atmosphere. That's going to be with us again for our Wednesday, and probably the next couple days before some rain really works that out of the atmosphere. Be back to 70 degrees by 8 a.m. and well up into the 80s, if not the lower 90s, for daytime highs on our Wednesday. Here's the Futurecast breakdown. Any showers over North Alabama will be ending fairly quickly this evening, and then partly cloudy to mostly clear overnight. We'll start our Wednesday morning mostly clear as well, down to the low to mid 60s. And I say mostly clear, that does not account for that haze that will be in the atmosphere, partly cloudy otherwise. Going in through the midday hour, notice it's warming well up through the 80s by the afternoon, and some pop-up isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible both in the afternoon, and these may carry over into the evening, if not the overnight. Not a lot of them, but a few of them may carry over into the evening or overnight with that frontal boundary working through. Highs in the upper 80s, lower 90s tomorrow. And then for Thursday, a few more isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms possible ahead of that frontal boundary as it slowly sags into the area. And then rain chances shut off for a couple days Friday and Saturday as high pressure with northerly winds orients itself over the area. We get slightly cooler and drier air into the region. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s and dew points well down into the 50s, if not the 40s. Across the area, so it's going to feel refreshing out there compared to what we've had the past couple days with the lower 90s around. And then as we head back into the latter part of the weekend, we'll still be dry for our Saturday, but notice the thunderstorms off to the west by Saturday night. Those roll into the area Sunday and Sunday night with the increasing rain chances here. Upper 80s, lower 90s for Wednesday. Back into the low and mid 80s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Notice the morning lows to end the week also back into the 50s. That's a sign of slightly drier air moving in. Notice they get back to the lower 60s by Sunday. That's the muggies coming back with those showers and thunderstorms moving back into the area by Sunday. We're tracking the tropics. We will be doing this the next several months as we're now in the Atlantic hurricane season that runs from June 1st through the end of November. Nothing out there to track right now. I'm watching a little bit of tropical wave activity rolling off the coast of Africa, but nothing expected to develop really within at least the next 7 days. But as always, we'll watch things carefully. Upper 80s, lower 90s. For Wednesday, partly sunny, otherwise hazy conditions. And a few isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms are possible, and these may continue into the evening and overnight. Just not a lot of them out there. More of the same in northwest Alabama, with daytime highs also in the upper 80s and lower 90s here. We step out of the upper 80s and lower 90s for Wednesday into the lower 80s for Thursday and Friday. A few more isolated showers or a thunderstorm on Thursday. Dry conditions, mostly sunny as we head through Friday and Saturday. Highs in the low to mid 80s, morning lows back into the 50s. And then we get the mugginess back and showers and thunderstorms fairly likely. Even if they'll still be scattered, they're still fairly likely Sunday and the Sunday night, and daily isolated rain chances for the first half of next week. That's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.